I had a comment the other day about whether I liked featherboards or not. Well, I do like featherboards, and I have this featherboard that I've had for quite some time. But as you can see, it doesn't fit this track. It worked on my previous table saw, but when I got the new saw, it didn't fit. So I had to remedy that. Finally, I'm getting around to it. As you can see here, I'm fitting a hardwood spacer to attach to the bottom of the locking key mechanism. Goes to the featherboard. I'm just going to use a little CA glue and attach it that way. That should hold it. That looks to be a good fit. Now let's put this back together. Okay, we've got it back together and it moves freely. Let's see if it locks down. I think that's locked down pretty good. Now I'll set it against this board as though I were going to rip this board. We'll just do a quick test setup just to see how it functions. When you set up the featherboard, you want pressure enough on the board that the board can go through forward and not come backwards without a little resistance. And you want to set the featherboard just in front of the blade. I'll cut another board with the featherboard in the proper position just in front of the blade. Thanks for watching the video.